Hello everyone, welcome to Vidyashram e-learning program. Myself Anjali Jain and I am faculty for business studies in commerce subject. As we all know, in this corona pandemic, we have to innovate or brush up ourselves in different criteria. Just like that, after 10th, first of all, I must congratulate to all of you to clear your 10th examination, your secondary examination, and come upon in the new bringing up line and start up your career in your favorite subject, favorite career options. As we all know, after 10th, many of us are very confusing state, just like what the subject should we have taken, what are the career options or opportunity available in this subject. Just like that, there are so many options after 10th, just like you can opt for science, you can opt for as well arts, or we better can say humanities. And one of my best favorite, that is commerce. Somewhere we heard about the commerce, but what is commerce and what are the career options in commerce? Today we are discussing these only. Commerce, what options or what career options are, why commerce, these all answers are sought out in this lecture only. Commerce. When a student opts for commerce, he thinks about these so many options after commerce. Whether commerce will be beneficial for his career or for economy or for nation or for country. Just like in this, commerce में there are so many options. Like commerce के अंदर में retail, job opportunities, entrepreneurship, and many more. We are discussing them one by one. Just like when you think about the commerce, you have many more options or whole of the world career options are open. Just like first and foremost, you have many times heard about the CA, Chartered Accountant. Chartered Accountant, what Chartered Accountant works? Chartered Accountant mainly works for the accounting or financial management of the parties or organizations. Chartered Accountants, and after very most popular company secretary, which holds or perform all the company's registration processes and legal formalities also. And CA, Chartered Accountant, holds accounting and taxation purpose work. Then we have one more option, ICWA CMA, Cost and Management Accountant. Cost and Management Accountant. What CMA performs the work? He decides whether this thing should be buy or make at own. This thing should be buy or this should make at factory at own. Then another options, management in different areas. Management in different areas. Just like CFO, Chief Financial Officer, CEO, Chief Executive Officer, and many more responsibilities and many more works, just like in production, operation, accounting, marketing, production. There are so many field, IT sectors, accounting, budgeting. There are so many sectors in management work which can be held by a commerce student. Then there are so many job opportunities, just like bank officer, you can better law law graduate, because in this commerce we have knowledge about the legal or law perspective also. Then tax, audit. In commerce there is a better knowledge about taxes, just like direct taxes, indirect taxes, GST, income tax. There are so many taxes, and thus all knowledges are provided in the commerce only. Then you can better opt in teacher, lecturer, just like myself, teacher, lecturer, professor, or you can better an economist, just like you feel in these days, corona pandemic days, the economy is disturbed totally. So how economy can be better up, grow up, and so many suggestions or so many areas from where we can grown up, these all can better after knowledge of commerce only. As we have seen various career opportunities in commerce, we can go further. How many subjects or what should be done here, what are the subject areas studied in the class 11. You have to read compulsory paper Hindi, compulsory paper English in Rajasthan board class 11th. Education policy may be changed, but these are the basic knowledge जो कि कभी change नहीं होगी, which can never be changed. Then after come upon your optional papers, that are accountancy. Yes, what comes in accountancy? In accountancy, you have to manage all the business transactions, how business transaction can be recorded, in which manner. There are so many types of accounts, just like journal entries, ledger, trial balance, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, receipt and payment account, income expenditure account, and many more. These all types of accounting are studied in the subject accountancy, and this is very scoring paper also. Accountancy is a very interesting subject. There are many more. You can know about the debit, credit, and so many more. Then next subject, that is mind subject, business studies. As the subject itself says, business studies, it means study of business. Study of business in the many more forms of organization, just like sole proprietorship, partnership, HUF, Hindu Undivided Family, joint corporate companies, joint stock companies, and cooperative societies, public-private partnership, and limited partnership. There are so many forms of organization, or so many types of businesses can be discussed in this. In business studies, we will go in the deep knowledge about business ideas, how business can be done, what are the business hazards, क्या क्या दिक्कतें आ सकती हैं, और what ingredients should be required in any business. These all are studied in the business studies. And we also study the business careers, for future career options, capital market, and what can further go upon the after the business. Anyone can do business or can entrepreneur. Then come upon another choice optional papers, that is economics, computer science, and maths. In Rajasthan board, there are 3 choices among the third optional subject, that is whether you should opt for economics or for computer science or for maths. In economics, you have or you are able to know about what is the demand, supply, what is fiscal policy, what is monetary policy, what are the economic policy, budgeting, and governmental policies, RBI, on many commercial banks, organization, and more performa about the economy, whole economy and the world economy, macro and micro. Micro in the terms of individual study of the economy, the single unit or small unit, and macro means the large unit of economy. But obvious computer science, We all are connected about this computer and technology. So the computer is another choice for commerce student. They can go for, they can opt for the computer science, and they can go for they can make their career in this area. So many animations, so many programs, app developer, app bug, jitne bhi computer science options, this can be opted in computer science. Then in mathematics, who understand their mathematics is good, and the maths is the very good for basic careers in the CA, chartered accountant, and many other competitive exams, mathematics is come upon. These are the subject one have to study in the commerce. Now let's move upon the basic knowledge about business studies. Business studies for class 11 commerce. As this is our intro class about the commerce and business studies, I repeat again, in this commerce subject there is one optional subject, that is business studies. Business. What does the term mean it? So many times we have says like mind your own business. What does the meaning of business? Business means the term is being busy. Being busy. It can be any activity. It can be idle activity, it can be economic activity, it can be non-economic activity. We can chat with our friends, we can move, we can go for picnic, we can eating food, we are busy in our mobiles. Any kind of activity in which we are busy, it means this is our business. As your profession is a student, you are busy in your studies. I am busy in my teaching profession. This is my business. My children are busy in the park. That is their business. It means business is their activity in which they are busy. But in commerce, the business terms means only for busy in economic activity. Business means busy in economic activity only. Economic activity means what? Economic activity which can convert in the currency or money, or whether in financial instrument. In commerce, we can go further one by one. Just like anyone can business, just like political leaders are busy, actors, Bollywood actors or Bollywood directors, or some kind of service providers, app developers, computer operators, teachers, office staff, Nagar Parishad, and there are urban rural government, local self governments. These all are busy in their own activities. How many types of activity you can convert into economic and non-economic? Just like I am just telling you in one example. If your mother cooking food for yourself, are you able to convert it into monetary activity or economic activity? No, because your mother does not charge for this activity. But if your mother preparing food for their customers as a tiffin services, are you able to convert it into monetary or economic activity? Yes, definitely. This is economic activity because she is able to, or she is entitled to charge the money from their customers. So first term we are able to know means business means what? Business means being busy, and busy in only economic activity. And we are better able to know about segregate activities, just like we can segregate the activities into two parts, that is economic activity and non-economic activity. economic activity. As I said, if your father spends money for you, it means this is non-economic activity because your father never charged from you only. But if he pays to the school campus or the tutors or the coaching institutions, this is surely an economic activity. Your mother, your friends, if your friends are spending time with you, it means non-economic activity. But if you are spending time on Instagram for making money, it means this is indulging in the economic activity. Yes, further continuing, as I tell you example of your mother, just which can convert into monetary, and this cannot be converted into not monetary, but this stands for love or belongingness. Yes, these activities can be better performing for the love, belongingness, affection, because your friends, your parents, your relatives, these kind of people performing for you, these only for your relationship. That's why these are known as non-economic activity. Okay, just think about and tell me the answer. What I am doing here, is this for economic activity or non-economic activity? Obviously this is for economic activity. I am better much paid for by the school management or for. Yes, now further move. Today we are discussing upon the career opportunities in the business. Just like we have discussed the chartered accountant. In chartered accountant, this is obviously economic activity and it is engaged in the accounting purpose, tax planning, tax management करता है, and chartered accountant performs so many actions, so many actions for their clients, for their organization, for whom he is performing or he is assigned to perform the work. Then company secretary. Company secretary starts or finish the work all from the starting for establishing the company or any of organization from start till the continuing the company. Just like company's tenure, in the company tenure there is so many requirements, just like the company's memorandum of article of association, prospectus, issue of shares, debentures. There are so many kind of legal formalities which is performed by the company secretary. The company secretary is entitled or is responsible for all the legal formalities and performed by all the legal actions by him only. Then cost and management accountant. What he is performing, he is entitled, just like cost and management accountant perform the work for the company, just like what should the business make it own or buy from the market. I am just telling you the example. If the marker making company, I am just telling you, just pay attention over here. If the marker making company thinks about this, just like whether this cap should be made in our company, make in our factory, or it should be buy from the other outsider company or outperformer company. This making in the factory cost rupees 18 paise in our factory, and if this can be buy from the any outsider or outsourcing company, it costs only 8 paisa. This answer should be come by only the study by the cost and management accountant. Cost and management accountant studied and compare all the relevant factors, irrelevant factors, and the judgmental of all the situations, circumstances, and then they let them present into the management committee, top management committee, to make them own decide कि whether should be made at a factory, made it at own, or buy it from the outside. The CMA perform this kind of activity, and this kind of knowledge just come after studies commerce only. Then managers in different areas, just like we have heard about the fala, some person works in this organization as a manager, marketing manager, operating manager, financial manager, chief manager, CFO, as I earlier said, chief financial officer, chief executive officer, top level management, middle level management, lower level management. There are so kind of functional performance by these kind of commerce graduates, and they can better perform these activities by studying commerce only. Then they can work upon, or they can appoint in bank officers, bank clerical post, bank PO. I can better know you that PO, it means bank PO. Bank में two kinds of job we can get, just like bank PO and bank clerical jobs. One is PO, means probationary officer, and another one is clerical, clerk. You can indulge or you can go as per your choice or as per your efficiency. These kind of banking jobs. Then governor of RBI, yes you can, because you have better knowledge about the economics as compared to other people. If you are insisting or your interest in economics more than any other subject, you can better knowledge about the economics and you can become a governor of RBI, Reserve Bank of India, our central bank of our country, that is RBI, Reserve Bank of India, or चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर, जो गवर्नमेंट जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को सपोर्ट करते हैं, जो अपना ऑफिस चीफ इलेक्शन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, ऐसी सो मेनी काइंड ऑफ जॉब्स इन दिस कॉमर्स इंडस्ट्री. देन टैक्स ऑडिटर, tax consultant only. After CA you can better able to understand about taxation. Tax can be of direct or indirect taxes, as we all know about the GST, goods and services tax, and the direct taxes means income tax, sales tax, etc. Then you can better enter into legal aspects, just like you can do LLB, you can make your career in LLB, Bachelor of Law. Then you can make as your stockbroker. Stockbroker means consulting or dealing in the financial securities in the secondary market and primary market. You can stockbroker, buying and selling of shares and debentures. Then make your profession is as a teacher, professor or lecturer. So come upon our topic business studies. We have understand about this. Business means being busy or engaged in any activity which can be converted into monetary or economic currency. First and foremost, it must be economic activity. You people say, are you engaged in your economic activity? Yes, you are spending money to see this video or spending time, not time, because time cannot be converted into money, but time is more precious than money. So this is the kind of commerce or meaning of business studies in this area. In the further lectures, we will discuss upon the more about the business studies and characteristics of the business studies. Till then, I will repeat all these business future options in this business or commerce industry. And welcome to the commerce as a subject, जिसमें हम लोगों ने कई सारे career options discuss किए, just like CA, CS, LLB, CMA, cost management accounting, retail sector, or governmental organizations, RAS, IAS. These all kind of jobs or these all kind of public administrative services, anyone can join who takes commerce as a subject. So being as a commerce graduate, you are able to enter upon any kind of job, any kind of. But You have to take sincere attention upon this subject and make your career or make your thinking upon more vast and this upon these subject. So that's all for the day. Thank you so much.